Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to private Instagram account. First of all, of course, you have to log into your Instagram account, and then after you have logged into your Instagram account, you have to click your profile here. Okay, after you click your profile, you have to click this icon, guys. Okay, on the top right corner, click this icon, and then you can click settings. Click settings, and then you can click this one, privacy. Click privacy, and then you can click this one, guys. Click this icon. Okay, turn on your private account, and you will get a question like this, and you can click switch to private. Okay, switch to private. Okay, now your account is private account, and that's the tips from me, and thanks for watching.